Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'll show you how to increase the volume on your speaker Soundcore Boom 2. You have three options how to increase it. First of all, you can use physical button on your speaker. It looks like a plus right here. You just press it and increase your volume. The second option is to use your physical buttons on your device right here on the top, and you also increase your volume. And the last options is to use an application. You just open it, then you choose your device, and then you see the slider. If you move to right, it increased your volume. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leaving the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you!